Raw2K Auto Sales Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get online auto sales wrong. They assume listings are unreliable or overpriced. The surprising truth about Raw2K Auto Sales is that it provides verified car listings, competitive pricing, and a user-friendly buying process. And you won't believe how easy it is to find a quality vehicle online. Here's how it works. Raw2K lists used and certified pre-owned vehicles with full details on mileage, service history, and photos. Buyers can filter by make, model, year, price, and location. Financing options, vehicle inspections, and delivery services are also available. For example, if you are searching for a 2017 sedan under $15,000, the platform displays available options with inspection reports and seller ratings. Most people get this wrong. They think online car buying is risky, but Raw2K prioritizes transparency and reliability. Additional features include part exchange options, transparent pricing, and customer reviews for both sellers and vehicles. Users praise the convenience, detailed information, and support throughout the purchase process. However, there are considerations. Inventory may vary by region, and arranging delivery or pickup may require extra coordination. Most people assume online purchases are immediate. Raw2K ensures transparency and guidance to complete the sale confidently. In conclusion, Raw2K Auto Sales is ideal for anyone seeking a transparent, reliable, and convenient platform to buy quality used cars online. Subscribe for more honest reviews of auto sales platforms.